The week just started, and this pallet is already calling it quits. A schoolboy narrowly escaped death in Ashok Kurnool, India, on the morning of January 27th when an electric pole suddenly collapsed, dropping high voltage wires dangerously close to him.
Holy he just got destroyed and it's derailed now. Holy oh great, now I got stay in my car.
If you want to drive, you have to go Route 30 and then turn right on Ambassador Lane and come down here by
His train is about to quit in 3, 2, 1.
The driver's decisive action helped him instantly escape danger from falling rocks in Dagestan, Russia. Be sure to closely follow disaster forecasts if you plan to travel here during the rainy season. The flooding rose too quickly, leaving many residents in Taiwan unprepared. Hopefully, rescue teams will arrive soon to help those who are trapped. Contrary to popular belief, large old trees with wide canopies are often very fragile during storms. Many residents in Putian, China, recorded a tornado hitting the area, causing damage to numerous vehicles. If this scene gave you goosebumps, like it did me, like the video and comment the number 10 to join the Amaze team. Canada in winter, even semi-trucks decide to go ice skating and lose control.
They're dangerous because they can use the audiences and they have a special
Does anyone see that this method is causing environmental pollution? The amount of dust is terrible. When flash floods occur, protecting human life is always more important than property, because everything can be rebuilt except people. Luck truly acted as a savior in this moment. When Mount Etna erupts, reflect on the power of nature and prepare the necessary steps to respond safely. She gracefully declined this unexpected gift. Spectacular work in the way this structure was dismantled. The collapse of a building in New Orleans highlights the importance of closely monitoring construction processes at all times. Please comment honestly. Which moment scared you, overwhelmed you, or touched you the most? A parking lot in Australia turned into an impromptu live show of nature as rain and wind took turns performing their unique dances. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to get early updates on natural disasters.
Rooms were there, they are all washed up across these ashrams, and there is every likelihood that this...
The man in Valparaiso, Chile could not hold back his emotions when the earthquake struck right before his eyes. Be cautious when large trees stand near buildings. This incident reminds us of the importance of staying observant. Share this video with anyone who shares your passion for the beauty of our blue planet. Thankfully, the dining table remained intact. Facing the force of floodwaters, a bridge in Cordoba, Colombia eventually had to give way. Have you ever witnessed lightning that lasted this long? Share that memory with everyone. nature is beautiful, but also powerful. Which word describes your feeling after watching miraculous, scary, or overwhelmed? Contrary to France's usually romantic image, the lightning here was cold and decisive. If someone insists on going out when a storm hits, send them this video as a reminder.
各位同學，各位。
W tej chwili minus 12 stopni Celsjusza.
The Sherp ATV has officially joined the club of fearless vehicles. Moving to an open area with fewer obstacles is truly a safer option during ground shaking.
That is so weird.
Okay, we don't think beforehand. It was still a major surprise. A workers' camp at an Indonesian mining site was quickly submerged in floodwaters. Although everyone had evacuated, an impromptu ice dance blocked the Minnesota River, raising water levels and mysteriously bringing movement across the area to a halt. Maintaining clear safety corridors along railway lines must be enforced more strictly to prevent unfortunate incidents on this priority mode of transport. Hook Head on Ireland's southern coast was among the first places to face fierce winds from Storm Brian. The sky shifted unpredictably as ash drifted onto Merimbula Beach just before the storm made landfall. Ocean waves took care of cleaning up the hut, reminding us that nature is an all-powerful housekeeper.